When it comes to financial forecasting, picking the right software can make or break your business planning. FreeAgent and Kashoo both claim to simplify forecasting, but which one actually delivers? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which software is the better choice and if there's an even better alternative. First up, FreeAgent. It's well known for automating financial reports, tracking expenses, and giving a clear snapshot of your cash flow. It does a decent job of forecasting, especially if you're a freelancer or small business with simple needs. The dashboard gives an overview of your income, outgoings, and tax estimates, which helps with basic projections. But here's the catch: FreeAgent doesn't have deep forecasting tools. There's no scenario planning, no real predictive analytics, and you'll need to manually tweak reports if you want accurate long-term forecasts. Now, Kashoo. It's designed for simplicity, especially for small business owners who don't want to get lost in accounting jargon. It automatically categorizes transactions, making it easier to track your financial trends. The forecasting tools? They exist, but they're very basic. Kashoo focuses more on real-time bookkeeping rather than forward-looking financial planning. So if you need advanced forecasting features, Kashoo will leave you wanting more. Let's talk usability. FreeAgent has a clean interface, but it takes some time to get used to. Kashoo is even simpler, but that comes at the cost of fewer features. If you're looking for automation to handle forecasting with minimal effort, neither software fully delivers on that front. Now, integrations. FreeAgent connects with banking feeds, tax systems, and invoicing tools, making it a more comprehensive choice. Kashoo, on the other hand, has fewer integrations and lacks the flexibility that growing businesses might need. So, which one wins? If you only need basic financial insights, FreeAgent might be the better pick. If you just want simple bookkeeping, Kashoo could work. But if you're serious about financial forecasting and want a tool that actually helps predict your cash flow, profits, and business growth with more accuracy, there's a better option. After testing all of these, I found a software that outperforms both FreeAgent and Kashoo when it comes to financial forecasting. If you want to take your financial planning to the next level, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available through our link.